Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. This video will show you how to create a processed RMA record manually in the RMS system. First, select the customer and click Save. Once the customer has been selected, click Add Inventory and wait for the system to display the window. In this window, the user needs to add a value to all the fields. Then, once the user gets to the LP field, if the user already has an LP, they just have to scan the label and click Save. If not, click the Create LP button to generate an LP and then click Print LP to print a label. Once the label is generated, select Save, and the system will display a confirmation message stating that the record has been created. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.